And this is a session which we can make use of it, and you can see about information retrieval, and you can put forth the questions, and sir will give you the. I think this session will be enlightening your knowledge on information retrieval. Thank you, sir. You can carry on with the session, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Shall we start? Audible?
You can do it. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Audible, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay. Uh, Good afternoon, all students, participation, faculty members. I am Dr. Karan, faculty of NIT Delhi. We are taking some basic introductions about information retrieval. Okay. So we are taking some little bit basic knowledge of information retrieval, as well as we have to do some query, some practical example to solve it there. How can you retrieve the information in the particular, taking some examples, and we can solve some statements to by the some logical algorithms we can use in retrieval. So we can start with the agenda. My objective of today presentations are, first of all, what is the information retrieval, first of all, then some basic introductions about IR systems, main processes of IR. Then we are taking some mathematical algorithms, indexing, retrieval. I'm taking some examples. Then we can conclude the final presentation today. Okay, so we can start with the objective. First of all, objectives about the introduction field of information retrieval. Information retrieval, we have to take some basic fundamental principles, we have to cover them, and methods we can cover them. The finally we can prepare challenges and related field for information retrieval. This is the my objective of today presentation. So I will cover them purely basic about information retrieval. All basic information I will give to you, because this is the wide topic. So I will cover them basic knowledge of how can you start for information retrieval in the primary level, and the secondary level I give you some examples, some links about my links channels. You have to go and you can watch the video, and my email id I already share with you. You can go and email me in the later on. Once you have to ask some query, I will give back to be your answer in the later stages. Okay, so we can start with the I'm why I'm taking the information retrieval this course. This is very information challenges, and why more challenges and proper information to retrieve the information properly. Okay, you have some query and you want to ask some, you want to some ask to query for just like a I'm taking example, I'm taking Google to type some think, and you want to be answer the query. If you want, if you want some, just like for you have to write them some picture, suppose, then you can search the IR and you want to retrieve the information. And IR need to be more about the information, just like for nowadays the search engine, there are a lot of companies are search engine are there, Google, Yahoo, Bing, there are a lot of search engines are there. So we need to be information retriever, and that you use the amount of databases, right? So very useful amount of databases from which You want to be find out useful information, useful in the sense whatever query around to be that whatever relevant field to be asked the query. Mean of the information, if you give the query or get a answer of query, so whatever you type in query search engine in the Google in a text box, just basically in the query, okay, uh, so get it the information. Industrial need to be earn money through the search engine, through the this type of search engine, just like a Google, Yahoo, Bing are there. The search engine more and more sophisticated and the big place in the market. These are earning money more and more efficient search engine. So we all know that the Google is very popular search engine, and all the use Google are day to day life. So basically is backend functionality who is the doing retrieval information that we have to be study in the presentation. Okay, and we are taking too many examples for this presentation to solve lot of things. So the course title of today we are taking overall for IR. Then we have taken some example for text and vector space classification. Then next we have to taking cross language information retrieval, the called as CLIR. Then we have to go multimedia information retrieval and recommendation system and web search. So we can start with the what is the IR? The IR in the terms of text, whatever you are typing in query, the front of text, suppose in the Google, you have to write the text in the Google text. So the documents, whatever document you can front, the entire form for the comes from the internet. What you want to set the document actually in the text format, and the answer you have to get in the query format. What the actually I want to write a some content from the Google. So this could be text classification. Text classification become the input query, and in the front of text format is the output document also come in my the text format. This is called for simple text and vector space. Just like for I'm writing some text language, some text space, just like my name. I'm whatever information you have to written in the Google's format. These information they have to be classified, and then they have to found, just like for I am taking one array is array, we have to write the information, the present text is available or absent. Okay, supposed to be I am using binary. So binary means uh, if the text is found we can call for 1, if the text is not found we can call as a 0. So text and vector, the text format we have to convert it in the vector format, and the vector format to classify the information to the retriever, the particular one by one. Then cross language information retriever, and just like for in this type of input in some language and output could be in the something of language. Okay, you have to write down, just like for I will tell them for Google speech to can you find this language, then he will provide you the answer of particular language. Okay, it mean i I type my query in the English. For example, I want to set all the document contain India, as well as set of all the document which contain in Hindi version also, just like a Bharat. Also he will send the information to be retrieved. Means whatever you have to write down the India, the all the India retrieving information in the retrieving format, and he will be show in the particular format, because the all the information have to become in the retrieval format have to become. Okay, now The third one is multimedia format. Multimedia information retriever is just like for whatever gives the query format of the text. For example, the famous Lata Mangeshwar songs you have to be typing. I'm typing of lyrics of songs for Lata Mangeshwar, and I want to songs to be available of my answer. So so my query is to be find the lyrics of Lata Mangeshkar song. So I want to be downloaded of the songs of audio of particular lyrics. So so the Google have to be all the lyrics related to the Lata Mangeshkar to be presented in the front of your screen or desktop. And why these type of songs have to come? Because I type in the text format and output have to come in my audio format. Okay. And the second thing is for if I'm changing the media, just like for I'm typing something the text format, as well as I got it in audio as well as the video format also, they will provide you in the front of whenever you retrieve the information. Okay. And the next one is the recommendation system. The recommendation system is basically has name suggested by recommending something to someone. Okay. So based of past behavior of the user, for example, I say customer user as a customer, I know the customer of the past behavior that is always to watch comedies movie. Okay. So that is always to be watch comedy movies in the future also. So I recommend some are comedy movies to be to be provided, just like for I'm taking example, just like Amazon of your past behavior of product which you are purchasing in the previously on the past, they will recommend you to be every time they show them, as well as yeah, it's just like for and the second thing, the recommend system is just like for rating system also. The Amazon the customers, they have two customers are similar behavior have to perform it there. So the first person have to give the rank of product, the similar type of rank of product, the recommended system to provide the customer of second, they didn't ask them for second number of customer, they automatically recommend to the particular movie particular ranking, and then they will providing to the ranking system. And the second thing is just like for the customer likes always comedy movies, so in the next time for uh, recommend system they will provide you as is these type of comedy movie every time they are to the retrieve the information to the particular user. This is the recommend system. And the last one is the web search. And the web search is just like for uh, this is web search is just like for you are searching something in the web, and the information retriever have to be providing the web information, just like for web search is just like for the information, just like you previously you just read the information and they will provide you. And the web search, just like what this is the web search example is like that. This is the uh, internet of economy. This is the figure I'm taking, that this is the they have some clusters, group of cluster, different colors are there. These clusters are working in economy, and they have the information. Here is the just like for we want to be retrieve information that to very large of databases. So these peaks tell you how l- layers of data, and how the different colors like red, green, yellow, blue are actually are work just like a cluster of data. If I'm taking this is the 2D image, which are the concurrently globally among the internet service provider whose internet service are providing, and these services are to be given the information, because we can't retrieve the information, so we have to be classify classify the different protocols. These protocols have to be identified to the particular information to retrieve them, just like for yellow, just like for reasons. This is the reasonable range. These range cluster, the cluster had to be communicate with the another cluster head, and another cluster have to be work to the another cluster to identify which one are the most popular and more retrieving information to provide it there. This is the simple example, and I give you where I take this picture, and links are also provided there. The next, why I need for information retrieval, because nowadays website are increased sharply. They have, you seeing that they have too much too many websites have to come day by day, and we don't know which one are popular and which one are not popular. And because we know the some information, we know that some information we don't know about the particular to the to be information to retrieve them. So the internet user also increase continuously. Currently you are seeing that current web page, if you are seeing that 1 billion user, more than 100 1000 billions pages. So how many pages is, we don't know how many pages is are there. So we just google to type them, or they have a lot of search engine means other Yahoo search engine. You have to just type I am the good person, or just like I am the, you have to find the customer detail, the customer detail of Amazon. So we don't know where is the, who's the seller and who's the buyer. So the the internet retrieving the information nowadays is more complicated of previous one. Just like for, if you are seeing the Googles are 3 billion document indexing in the per day. In the per day they have 3 billion document indexing have to done, and required 10 to 20 TB of text of on web. Okay, so how much information have to come, just like for 1000 TB information produced every year. So how can you manage these information, because this is TB. Once TB gone, the next we don't know, we don't know how can you manageable this thing. So we have to be retrieve the information, as well as we have to be store the information in proper manner. So very easy or very efficient manner we can get it the information. Just like for, I am taking one example. Nowadays this is the one example for Facebook data. How's the, how's big the Facebook data. Everyone have to use the Facebook. So if you are seeing the Facebook, the Facebook are 2.5 billion contain items shared per day. Every day we have to be sharing the information around 2.5 billion. Just like for status update, wall post, plus photos, plus videos and comments. How's the data? You can't imagine these data, how can you retrieve the information. And 2.7 billions like per day. Everyone have to be, if you are taking, this is the average data of, they have providing one company, this company to tell them this is the 2.7% billions like per day and 300 millions photo uploading per day. Then how can you store the likes, as well as 300 millions photos uploading, and as well as we are sharing the information, and after he is uploading the information, how can you retrieve these information by the per day, and 100 petabytes of disk space in one of Facebook largest Hadoop cluster. Petabytes, you know that terabyte above is petabytes. We have to require this disk space, this this is space required for storing the data also. Then after 1.5 105 terabytes of data scanned by Hava every 30 seconds. What is the Hava? Heavy. The heavy is the Hadoop cluster application they are managing. they are managing for scanning as well as storing database in particular cluster application Hadoop. This is the SDFS algorithms are there. FDFS cluster Hadoop method to implementation, as well as 70,000 queries exceed on these databases per day. Then we have to ask some queries, and more than 70,000 queries executed every databases per day, and 500 terabytes of new data increase in databases every day. So these data comes only for Facebooks. So how these large databases to be information retrieve is very complicated, as well as the information, if you are stored in your particular databases, then how can you retrieve the information? The challenges comes to the information retrieve. The second one, we have to be information retriever information. So large document are stored in computer. We are say corpus. The is corpus are is just like for storing the databases in particular information of your desktop or your computer. This we can call for describe as a corpus. And the second thing is, there's a topic that which are described to get information. We have to need the information retriever, and some of the document may contain the information they are satisfy my need. We can say relevant information. Just like for similar time, you have to type the name of XYZ. We have to be once you have to be type any name the information, that all the relevant information comes by the search engine and providing you. And these information, how much are relevant to your topic, which one also be more important concept will be discovered in by the information retriever. And how do I retrieve these document? Okay. And my query, how to be resolving by the information retriever. This one is also more important in my corpus to be find the value of information retriever. Suppose the information are stored in the two type of data. One is the structured data and the second is the unstructured data. What is the structured data? Structured data is just like for document how the query is, how the query will be depending whatever the data document is corpus in structure and unstructured data. Just like for here is example, this example is employee, manager and the salary. This is the information is table format as well as is clear. This is the symmetric structure. Just like for similar type of data have to come. We have to say this is my simple type of data is structured data. Structured data we have to again we can say give me the social security number of all the employee who have to stay with the company for the more than 5 years, and who yearly salary are the 3 standard division above the average salary. This is ask the query and the find the value of these fixed type of data structure, and we can get the value of outcome. This is called for structured databases. And unstructured databases is just like for structured databases. We simply say clear databases. We know everything, every tuple we know that, every column we know that, every row we know that, and fixed size of data to be have. Just like for clear data. Clear data means if you have employee, then we have manager and we have salary. This is the already filters information is there, and this information no need to require to be next level of filtration. We just ask them query, just query we can ask, we have to find more than 5 year employee information who get the salary for more than 30,000. Just ask them, they will provide you information to particular databases. But unstructured databases, once you go the unstructured databases, this is the asymmetric structure. First of all, we have to say uh, just like for symmetric structure is like the free text on the web page, audio and video, information retrieval, unstructured databases. That time period, why the unstructured information come for unstructured databases? Because the all informations we have to type them by the keywords, and the keywords have to provide the similar type of information to the particular users. Okay, as well as allow less expensive query from the unstructured databases. Information retrieve, the information gives to the all document have to be, as well as this is the lot of things have to be done simultaneously in unstructured databases and solve the queries. Just like for they have example the previous of uh, unstructured text as well as structure databases, date in 1960. Okay, the volume, data volume and the market cap. So we have to say data volume the 1960, previously the structured databases or unstructured databases. We have to find the structure databases in data volume have to be increased for unstructured, and the market crops we have to say this is the value have to come to the unstructured to the structured databases. Just like for in 2019 we have to go and seeing that structured and unstructured databases, they have some example Yahoo, Bing, and we have to find the market crops. Unstructured databases is more grow compared to the structured databases. Why unstructured? This is the non-clearance, as well as you have to store in particular whatever you want, and you have to get the information to the particular uh, databases. Just like for if you are using the linked list, so you have to connect by the linked list, and we have to get the information connect by the another link, and another link have to get the information, not store it in one place. You have to store in the distributed manner, and distributed manner you have to take the information to the particular information to the particular drive. This is a simple example. Now we have, this is the basic introduction is previously. Now we can come for the information retriever. Now the what is the definition of information retrieval? Information retrieval is finding material, useful document of an unstructured nature, useful text that satisfied an information needed. Meaning they have three terms are very important: finding materials, unstructured databases, information need. Means we have to be required the unstructured databases to find whatever information, to retrieve them, and these information is important for us, or we have just only for just passing the information. As well as if the information is we can say uh, the corpus the provide you or grabs the data from the databases, and once they are delivered to the particular to the users, that time period in between the information comes in the proper channel, as well as for some descending increasing order, and which databases, which tables we can use them, all the information have to come in the proper manner. This is called for information retrieval. Just like we can say the problems of AR goal. What is the goal? Find the document relevant to an information need from the last document set. This is the information I need, but we don't know which direction will go. They have 4 directions, but we don't know where information we get in the proper. So we can do it. We can ask the query to the particular search engine. This search engine, just like for information retriever system, this system to go the information to the document, and document collection provide the information to the retrieval. No, this is the path of Delhi and this is the path of Chennai. If you choose this path, you can go you can take the directions of Delhi, and if you choose this direction, maybe you reach on Chennai. They have two things from the comes from the databases, and databases are storage databases. These information have to come by the retrieval, and answer list sent to the particular user to useful information to retrieve them. Once you have retrieved them useful information, these information have to be grabbed, and you have to find the solution also. This is the simple problem and solution are there. This is the simple example. Just like for I am typing something, this is the web example. You already know that these things, but I'm just showing that I'm writing TREC conference. This is the TREC conference. We search them by the web users, and then we find the relevant document to the particular TREC conference particular web pages. What is the web pages? The web pages are connected. What is the web pages? Web pages are connected to the HTTP links, hyperlinks, and the hyperlinks are connected to the sub hyperlinks, and these sub hyperlinks are connected in the, or he's managing by the groups, and the groups cluster have sent the information for retrieval, and information have to transfer to the particular main page. To the this hyperlink are connected to the sub hyperlinks, and sub hyperlinks are connected to the relevant information to the databases. And then after, once the information have to be similar type, then they have to be displayed on your desktop. Just like for I am taking one example, and this is the simple example for I am taking the document is corpus. You want to describe already. If you want, I am just taking one example. This is the corpus, and Scopus writing the skyscraper written layers 37. This is the document we have to write them. Now what happened? Whatever entire collection of your query that will be play as a skyscrapers to be presenting in your group. Just like for they have type of, here we can use the linear type of databases, you can use them, and then linear type, they have different type of algorithms are there. So we have to be require the information need which play of Skyhopper contain the words of cursor and the cursor, but not the California. Okay, this is the query to ask them. Now we can solve the by the example. Which type of example we have to cover them? I am taking the example of linear search through the all play of Skyhopper. Okay, what will we do? Or the linear scanner? Linear scanner is that then need to repeat these for every query. Okay, we have to find the, just like for I am taking A and B or C, or A or B or C to find the answer. So works for Skyhopper player, but may not work for Huck document collections of billions and trillions of words. We can cut off the time. Okay, so what will we do? Linear solution means linear type of similar information they will provide you, but we have to require the better solution. The better solution is pre-processing. We have to do for pre-processing. We process the corpus in advance and organize the information about the occasion of the different word in the way of speed up to query processing. Okay, we have to do it like that. We have to do it simultaneously, pre-processing to done it, and then we have to get the answer. How? Just I'm taking this one. This is the example, and this is the information we can ask them. This is the information to ask them. This is my information to be collect them from my information retriever. Okay, so first algorithm we can say by like that. This is the term documentation indicates. Okay, the first one we can say this is the term documentation. What I am doing here, this is how many documents are there? 37 documents are there. They already written that. This is the 37 documents are there. Players written each 30 documents. So how many rows comes or columns come? Sorry, how many columns come? 37 rows and 37. Sorry, 37 uh, rows comes. So I'm not taking all the rows. I'm taking one example to be cover them. I'm taking only for sum of rows to be to tell them how can you terms document have to be performed there. Uh, the 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 in the row you have to all the distance terms, the complete set of the distance in terms of 37 documents. I first contain 100 terms, then second is 200 terms, and the third one is contain 300 terms. Okay, so if you have completed the whole the information, then we required for sums for 100 plus 200 plus 300 so on, and repeat the terms of continuous as once. So number of distance is 37 in the row, and each terms as well as the row, so that the mean city name of distance terms of entire in 37 documents. These 37 documents have to work to find the value of here. Just like for here, if you are showing one if play contain words and zero is otherwise. Just like for Anthony and cleanliness as to be available here, this is the one. If not be available, this is the zero. We have to be collect the information. Just like for I am taking indication vectors. The indication vector we can say the information have to become by the vector, and the vector is represent for 0 and 1, and 0 and 1 by the binary representative. This binary representative is called for 1 is present and 0 is absent. And just supposed to be I'm collecting the information from this one. My information is 110100. Okay, so what I do, I'm taking the 110100. I'm taking this one. I'm taking some subset from the 37 row, and then find the value of to the Raster and the Cancer and the Canegonia. So what I do it bitwise AND operation have to done it, and as well as I do for AND operation, and for this AND operation and of this AND operation, and we have to be get the value of my particular information. Just like for I'm requiring this one, so I do it here AND operation, as well as I'm not requiring this one, then we have to be separate of this particular information for indicator vector. This is the information retrieval. Okay, now we have to be scenario. Scenario is just like for consider n is equal to 1 billions of document, and we required for 1000 words. So what will we do? This is taking too much length of column we required here, too much column required here. Just like for you are seeing that how much the table we required, around we have to be 1 million columns in terms of 5 lakh distance words for single characters to be installed, that they are taking too much space are there. So this is information we have to be what the large information, how many time present in the information, and we have don't know how many missing information has to come here. So what we will do, we are doing like that. The scenario is like that. Here is number of cell in the terms of document matrix. If you are seeing that I'm searching 5 lakh words, how many times in the column? In the 10 to the power 6. So we required around 0.5 trillions. They have too much memory space. As well as if we want store 5 trillion cells in memory, how much memory we do need? This one also very big issues with generated. If each cell takes 1 bytes, then we need point. If we cell take at least 1 byte for storage space, so how much space we require? 0.5 into 10 to the power 12 bytes. So we have to be 500 GB in the main memory, and this type of memory space not required in your RAM as well as your memory. Okay, so And the next thing, if each cell takes 1 bytes, then we need 500 GB upon divide by 8, still not feasible. These these run out the space of these type of algorithm not be feasible for your information retrieval. So what we will do, we have to do, you are seeing that how much space we required. This is the matrix is just like for, if you are saying maximum number of one document we are searching of one specified document, then how much space we required, 1000 divide by 5 lakh multiply by 100. So how much column vector we required 0.2%, and this one is not available in your memory and the space. So this one is not feasible for storing spaces as well as of your document spaces, is very difficult and not be suitable algorithm for retrieving. So this is the primary algorithm, the primary level has to come, and this algorithm not be suitable for to retrieve the information as well as the information storage here. So we can't be consider these type of algorithms in your retrieving information to the particular documents. Okay, 0.2% also be required if the columns we required here. So what will we do, they have to become and use for array as well as we are using three type of things we can use them, which we can use them. First of all, what will we do, we have to update it something. What updated, we are updated in terms of, I am taking variable size of array, we can use them first of all. The second thing we have to use them, we are using for increase the length size of array, different types of array. Now they have, as well as we are using for linked list also. How, just like for here, just like for this example have to be, we are each terms we have to represent as a t, and the must store the list or document in content of t. What will we do, just like for this is my databases, these databases just like for this is my x, this is y, and this is my z, this is the linked list. In my databases, first place x is available, second place 2 is available, means this is the id, these keywords are available in your databases. This is my fixed size of length, I'm just telling this is the fixed size of array. This fixed size of array, first of all, I do what I do like key like that, yeah, I'm indexing to the particular information, to the particular words, just like for my databases is there, and these databases, these information are storage is here. Okay, uh, and just like I'm just saying that when you want to give a more efficient store space scheme was using for inverse indexing. So index indexing is store of list of all document that contain t, storing all the document whatever the terms in present and absent is stored, the space whatever we store only those document which terms of present, and maintenance for list which associate with the in the terms. Okay, we are just associate in the terms, so we can use them here. What will we do, we are taking two type of array. First of all, we are divided array in static dynamic. If you want, just like your database is fixed, no change in further, then you can take the fixed size of array. Static databases, these static databases means no need to further update. Okay, if you want to further update for your databases, then you have to take the variable size of array. This variable size of array is just like for dynamic, and these dynamic array, just like static array. Static, what is the difference with the static and dynamic array? Static array we can use for continuous memory. Continuous memory means, what is the meaning of continuous memory? If you are siege time, you know the siege time, the siege time required is less, then we can use for dynamic array. If you are not uh, If you not use the seek time, you not consider for seek time, you just only for you are just considering for memory dynamic array, then you can do for static. If you need the seek time less than seek time also required, then you can use them dynamic type of array. If dynamic type of array, you can use them linked list also. Okay, it's up to you, whatever you can choose it depending for your databases requirement, how much, how less seek time you require. If you seek time dynamic and non-continuous memory you require them, then you can use for dynamic array. So the question will generated here when we use what. There are three types of, I will provide you three information. Fixed size of array means static dynamic array, then variable size of array, dynamic array, and the third one is linked list. So which one we can use them? Okay, recent we can use them, and what will be used in this time? Just like for, I'm taking example here. This example, uh, P1 and P2, they have two things are there. Two things are there. Just like for when we will use, just like for I am adding here 8. I am adding here 8. How can you add them? 8 will be adding in the this row. This is the not fixed type of. This is the variable size of length. So what will we do? First of all, he will be arranged in your increasing to decreasing order. First of all, shortest to longest means this is the smallest unit and this is the largest unit to store the information. He will, if the dynamic array we can use them right now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, the eighth of column is there. So what will we do? If you are not fixed type of length, we can add them one more. This is the ninth of column to add them here. Then we can short it there, and the 18th comes here before the 31 comes here. 18th document 18 number. The 18 also similar type of the bullshit will be there, and then we can add them here. If they are fixed type of array, then we not be doing. We can't be do it. Just like for what happened if the word 14th have to add it here. Here is not possible if you have a fixed type of array. If not a fixed type of array, then we can add it here 14th here. When comes 14, shifts after 14 here, and they are shifting to the one column to the another column, and this is the uh, uh, to the one to another one. Now we have to some of also detail have to telling you in the variable size of posting list. This is the posting list. Simply this is called for posting list. This is alphabetic order. Alphabetic order comes here. If you ask A, B, C, D, E, F, then comes to the alphabetic manner to come to the in your dictionary. Okay, and this is comes from my posting for the disk space, and this space is the continuous run to the posting in the normal and the best, and the memory you can use them linked list and the variable length of array. Okay, the size is fixable or increasing order, not increasing as well as decreasing order, it depending on your posting list are there. Now we have to go to tell you this little bit more information to tell you. This is the dictionary alphabetic order to comes. This is the posting list and shortest by the document id have to come decreasing or increasing order to be comes here to the particular information. Now my query comes for query processing. What is the query processing? The query processing, first I'm taking the example for AND operation. The AND operation means we have to, they have two databases, two words are there. This is the one databases, words are there. This is the second databases, and they are linked list to the connected here, as well as variable size of arrays there, as well as they are connected here increasing order. First of all, id are connected to the increasing order, so we have to be merging two different databases So what will we do? We have to be merged to posting list by the query processing. And how can these two processing to be done by the my algorithm? How can you merge there? Supposed to be, this is my both two simultaneously run, and these timelines time linear in the total number of posing enter. Now supposed to be how the merge they are merging is there, the similar words are there, similar id are there, just like for 2 is indexing for this one and 2 1 are indexing for this one. So similar type of databases comes here, and this 8 are similar type of here. So what will we do? If the length list of length are x and y, supposed to be this is the x and this is the y. Okay, so what will we do? The similar types comes here. So merge take x plus y operation, or operation and operation, we can do it here. And what will we do? We can do for posting sorted by the document id. How these algorithms to work, and how can you merge the algorithm, how and whatever the information comes here, how they merge their algorithms can you run by this algorithm. This is the interaction to posting list as a merge algorithm. Okay, first this algorithm have to work to merging similar type of keywords in your databases, merge them and produce one once a list in single format. Just like for I just tell you, this is the insert they have two pointer p1 and p2. The p1 p2 is posting list, and p1 and p2 are just indexing as a pointer. If you want merge posting list, then once the answer we get it there, the answer getting there, the p1 is nil and p2 is zero. What is the meaning of this statement? If supposed to be they have to be two lists are there, this is the first list and this is the second thing. We check, this is my pointer first, this is the my pointer first. Okay, we can go increasing order. Once completed, we can go here, one go here, one go here, one go here, one go here, and compare it and check it here once. Which one are completed first, we can go to terminate. Supposed to be p1 is the last one. After 128 no one are there, this is the nil operation, we stop here algorithm. Okay, we can stop here algorithm. If we can find the both document id p1 and p2, if their id is correct, the similar type of id we can get it here in the both two posting list. What will we do? Add them answer as well as we produce particular document id. Okay, whatever document id, then after increment for p1, pointer will be incremented. For p1, pointer will increment to the p2. If this information is false, then what will we do? We can check it here, pointer 1 less than to the pointer 2. How? Supposed to be, we can check it here, 2 and 1, which one is the less than? If the first one is false here, so what happened here? The happened here, which one is the shorter? This one is the shorter, the pointer will go here 2. Okay, here to here, this one. Okay, then we can compare to the this one to this one. My pointer p2 here and p1 here, because this one is the shorter one, then comes here. Then after the information, if this information is correct, then p1 increment. If this information is false, then p2 will be increment. Okay, then retrieve the information. How they work here? Suppose this is my merging algorithm, one by one we can go and check it here. p1 pointer to current location of list of 1, p2 is the pointer of current location of p2. Okay, p1 and p2 here, we can find the algorithms, we can go, we can check it here. Suppose here answer, this information fall, go inside, do while, both are not similar, false, then we go here. What happened? You can check it here. If If document ID P1 is lesser than P2, no, the information false. Okay, so what happened? P2 goes here, P2 next of P2. The P2 pointer will be increment and comes here. Okay, once come here, then algorithms come back here. Again, we can check it here. Now we can say the document PI1 and PI2 are equal. Once equal, add them. Once to add them, comes here. Okay, once the comes, this one to be executed, add them, and the answers comes 2. Okay, now my pointer, where is the my pointer? My pointer P2 here and P1 here. Okay, then we can check it here. Then this task done. Once done it, now what happened? P1 will be incremented one time. My pointer will be here and the next pointer will be here. Okay, P2 will be 3 and P4 will be here. Now what happened? 4 and 3 both are not similar. Then we can check it here. My who's the less than value? The less than value is 5. Then pointer will be here, P2 will be here, and P1 is here in 4. Okay, this is the equation going on. Now 5 and 4, which one is the less than? Because not are similar, not equal. So what happened? Pointer will go for 8 and then pointer will hit 5. Then now the equations are not similar. Who's the less than? 5 is the less than. So pointer will go on 8. Now what happened? Both are similar. If they are similar, then we can come in the answer side. 2 and 8, they are linked here. Now one by one will go here. Then comparison here. After 34 and 28, if the pointer go here, the pointer is calculated is the nil and the algorithm we terminated. We get the value of 2 and 8 is the merge algorithm. This is my next algorithm to merging 2 element, 2 ID, 2 and add. This is called for merging algorithm. Simple algorithm for merging. Now, if you are OR operation, if you are using OR operation, OR operation means maybe here, or maybe no be here. So what will we do? Merging OR algorithm, you can implementation. We can merge them all the elements here, which are similar type. Just suppose I am merging, I am taking the output of 1. Then after they are both are similar, then we calculate once time here, then third one, and then fourth, then fifth, then eighth comes here, 13, 16, and so on going on. And this is decreasing, increasing order to be performed here, and then find the value which one is the OR operation to perform the merge query processing. This is a simple algorithm have to perform it here. Now we have to go for indexing. How can you work for indexing here? How the build to the inverse indexing at the from the scratch. So what is information indexing that I am told how the build it. So first of all, get the document from where the build it the indexing from the first step. So we need to do it. We have a list of some web pages initially, very few pages, and these web pages are connected to the hyperlinks, and the hyperlinks are available in those web pages for extract of other web pages. So generally what will we do it? Web pages, go to some link and go to another web pages using hyperlink, and how the collections of these pages through the seller. So the seller is basically, what is the seller? Seller is basically from documentation or module. These modules are scan for web pages and extract to the HTTP link to the new web pages. So what will we do? Just suppose to here I am writing 3 words here: friends, Romans, and countrymen. There are 3 words we have to be find out here. Okay, so what will we do here? After we can do for tokenization. Okay, what the tokenization? The tokenization have to be work in the 2 terms of. Okay, tokenization means he will be token in different format. The first one is segregated friends, then tokenization he is segregated for Romans, then he is segregated from the countrymen. Tokenization and they have big chapters for tokenization, how they are tokenization there, tokens format, small tokens we can then, and then after these tokenization have to be performing the um, modification tokenization. The modification tokenization, we are using two techniques, we can use them. First is deep enhanced algorithm, and the second is the case folding. These deep enhanced algorithm is just like for single algorithm to perform it here, just like for I'm writing here friends. The friends not be available in your databases. He segregated friends to be in my friend first of all. Then after Romans, they have to be segregated into the my Romans. And the countryman is obviously this is the one man countryman, so he's doing for the countryman have to done by the this polarization. Okay, then case folder, the case folder have to work for upper to lower folder. Okay, or lower to upper folder, just like for suppose indexing here, what will we do indexing here? First of all, which one is to come, because he's alphabetic order, alphabetic decreasing order or increasing order. Obviously increasing order we can perform it here. First of all friends come, then Romans comes, then countrymen come. These folders have to be performed by the case folder. Then after we have to use for inverse indexing, we can use them to find the particular answer. We can do it here, just like for I'm taking one example. I'm taking one example. They have two document file here, doc1 and doc2. Doc1 I writing something, this is the full sentence are here, and then the second thing is document full sentence are there. So what will we do? I will do for sequence of modify token as well as document ID with the pair. First of all I will create one table. This table have to be token sequence. How the token sequence? First of all he will take first of all document ID 1. I did blah blah blah, we can use to write one by one to document ID, because he's come from document 1, so he's providing the document ID from 1. Then so let it blah blah blah, this comes for document 2, then he will give the document 2 to tokenization. This is the simple tokenization of primary level of to be scanning to done it. Okay, done this part. Then after index step shortest algorithm, shortest will be that by the core indexing step. Core indexing step means suppose this is I'm done it here previously. Okay, now my second term is from alphabetic order to be performed here. Okay, alphabetic perform it here. Just a word to find there. First letter of word we can find to be provided here. The first term, then document ID, because he's come from 2, then he will produce by the 2. Then next one, the next one, the next one to come to be my shortest core indexing step. Then this step, once this step done it, then after we can do for dictionary and posting. Okay, multiple term enter in the single document are merged. The second time split into the dictionary and the posting. Document frequency information is added here. Just suppose here, check it here. Just suppose I have suppose uh, just wait, give me 1 minute. Mouse not working. Now it's working. Okay, they have divided in terms, document terms and the frequency. Okay, and the posting list. First of all comes first. How many times comes here? Only one times comes. Frequency one times comes. Then where it comes, posting list is 2. Okay, okay, this is the once time you are seeing that previously. Only one time he's here. Just seeing here. First time here, one time available, not second time. So we can posting here one time. Frequency 1 means he's not repeating again. He's one time present in your all list. Okay, next time is not be presenting here. Suppose I'm taking this one or Caesar, both are Caesar comes from one also, Caesar for comes for two also. So he will do merging for Caesar and booster like that, posting 1 to 2, 1 to 2, because he is coming from descending to increasing order to be showing that, and then comes here, then show on to done it here. And the next of the comes two times, so he frequency two times and come posting list from 1 to 2. Okay, then they have to be step number third to done it here. The next, pay to storage. Okay, this is my storing list. This is the list, this is the words, this is the frequency, and this is the posting list, and this is the merging list. Okay, whenever they will ask you, they next time if you search for, just like I'm searching is a, or I will search the, what happened, the particular document in my document ID, they directly come here to check here how many times come here, two times. Two times means two places the words is available. So when the information retrieval time, they will retrieve the information, the two places, and showing the particular result in your desktop here. Okay, as well as he count the how many times to be the particular case Caesar comes here. If the Caesars comes two times, they will show two links. Maybe we can give the answer for this one. Two hyperlinks are connected here for Caesar. Two hyperlinks are connected to the Caesar, or two web pages are connected here for Caesar. In the showing time, the Caesar have to come two web pages in the particular search engine. This is the simple application here. Now, query optimization. Query optimization, what will we do? What will we do in the query optimization? We have to do, consider a query that is the and the t terms for each get term, posting link, and add them together. Just like for I'm adding this one to this one, this one to this one. Now, what is the best solution for query optimization? You have to done like that. You have to add them first of all this one, then after add them here, because if you add them 8 to 8 them, you get 8 value. Okay, then after 8 you get add them for C, then you have to get 4. So what is the best solution? You have to go this one, shortest, where the shortest columns are there, shortest column, to be merge them, to add them to the largest column. What happened if you 4 add them 8, then what comes, 4 columns comes. Okay, 4 columns comes, then after 4 columns to add them this one, then again 4 columns come. So you have to be not required more spaces, you have to require is less spaces, to if you are go for less to higher than optimization solution if you are searching the query. Okay, so processing in the order of increasing document frequency, interesting of two posting list, all intermediate result will be no bigger than the smallest posting, so we have to likely to minimize the work. Okay, so what will we do? We have to go minimizing to maximizing the work by the to check which document are, which things are smaller and which things are greater than by the document. Okay, now this is the best indexing based information retriever. What will we do? Document indexing by the representing then query evaluation, then again query, we will check it here by the indexing query analysis, and then find the your answer particular indexing bit, if you which indexing to which indexing to find there. Okay, so next model with the Boolean retrieval model. The Boolean retrieval model is like, we can say the Boolean retrieval model can answer for any query that is the Boolean expression. 90% query search engine have to be used this Boolean retrieval model. This model is the best model for retrieving the information, and the Google and Facebook other search company have to work here. These Boolean queries are queries using and or not for join the query terms. In the views each document as a set of terms. In here we have to be using the to be increasing or decreasing order to be depending for your query. How? Just like for if you want to be check the low west low and how the work for boolean, this is the westlow.com. You want to go here and then find the exactly the boolean. How can you work in the retrieve the information to the particular databases? And this is the history of boolean. I'm not bother about the thing. I'm little bit about the westlow. The westlow is if you want the information need, the information is come for theoretical, the information comes and then this information they will provide you for westlow. Or how the westlow work? The westlow is work. Some example, if you want to retrieve some statement or some sentence, then you have to be /s to write them in your westlow. If you want to be retrieve some paragraph, then you have a /p. Okay, if you wrote them these things, you have to get it there. If you wrote /n, then nth word to become here. But the issue is like that here space is in join. What is that disjoin? Disjoin is union. Just like space is union, I am writing a comma b comma c. So a is different, comma is different, c is b is different, comma is different, and c is different. Okay, so he will do for pre-processing, default pre-processing and disjoint here. And wildcard query, if you wildcard query, then use for this command. Wildcard query means I'm writing x star. The star is wildcard. Just like y star, this y star is just like for your wildcard query. Okay, this wildcard query you have to be get it here. Now some limitation here for boolean retrieval model. He's not perfectly fine for spelling mistake. If you write wrong spelling, then he not be find the best solution, not be find the similar type of result to be providing you. And then just like for paragraph searching, I'm paragraph searching Stanford University, then he will provide the result of Stanford in different format and university in different format. So Stanford, they will provide you list as well as the university links also they will provide you, as well as indexing also doing Gates, Bill Gates. I'm searching Bill Gates from Microsoft, so he will do like that. Gates and Microsoft indexing they will be arranging and they will providing here. And then more weight should be give the document contain high number of instance in term, no rank of return result. If you want to result, they will not provide you rank for result. Just like for this one, this is the overall user interaction with the information retrieval system. This is the overall model to work here to find the query and find the result of mouse tab. If you find the mouse tab, then comes here, and this is the overall figure to be how the crops results search engine query retrieval and the work have to be done it here. Now if you are performance, we have to find two things here for performance. Recall, what is the recall? Recall is the fractions of relevant document in collection that we are retrieved. Just like for they have three cluster here: retrieval document cluster Y, retrieval document Z, and retrieval document X. The X is the total divide by Z. If you want to do it this type of thing, you have to recall the information. What is the recall? 100% recall not possible, because relevant document also positive and as absent document also becomes here. So frequential is frequential document, relevant user like information comes here. So if you want the information for recall, then X upon Z. If you want the information to the particular users to, then X upon Y to come. So frequencies comes and the find the collections of the documents here. Okay, and this is the example for minimizing and the maximizing of weight, selection and weight. how the frequency comes here. If your frequency comes, then we have to get the value. Simplest method for middle frequency word, the if you want maximum words here, you can get it here. Highest frequency of similar type of data. Okay, these places and these places you have to get the value of similar type of data. I think is more than enough to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Any query?
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Any questions now from the participants? Do you have any questions regarding this? Any queries you can put forth? Sir will be answering. You can unmute your audio and you can put forth the questions. Any questions, please? I will.
Otherwise I will give you my email ID also,
I say you can post email in the
then
chat box.
you can ask them here also.
Yeah,
I give
yeah.
you chat box. I will provide you my email ID also. You can go and take it here. You can send me email. I will give back answer shortly whenever I do. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Karan, sir. The day to session to form and attendance feedback has been posted. If you have any query received, you can just fill the attendance. I'll try to get all the PPTs, and the next session will be starting at 2 o'clock. We will meet again at 2 o'clock. It's also been posted in your WhatsApp. It's also been posted in the WhatsApp group. A kind request to the participants. Ma'am, am I audible, ma'am? Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Audible.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, a kind request to participants. I have arranged all these members. They are the domain specialists of each and everything. Karan sir is a postdoctorate in information retrieval and is doing many projects in GST. Yes. See, if you want any questions, any queries related to everything, because most of them will be doing project works, or most of them will be guiding the scholars, everything. If you have any queries, please put for it. This platform will be useful for you, and I'll share all the things at the end of the today. I'll even share the email IDs of all the speakers, so it will be useful for you people in the future reference. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Uh,
Yeah, thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So we'll meet again at 2 o'clock, sir, because a short time only for you for lunch. So we'll finish the lunch and we'll meet at 2 sharp. Okay, ma'am? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.